HelloFresh claims their boxes are free, but I spent $47 anyway.
Let me explain.
Before we dive into this unboxing, if you want to actually save money on HelloFresh, I've got a special discount link in the description below that'll give you a better deal than their so-called free offer. Now, let's see what $47 of free food looks like. So, here's the thing about HelloFresh's free box. Yes, technically the food is free, but they still charge you shipping, which was $12. Then there's the catch: you have to sign up for their subscription. I tried to cancel immediately after ordering, but their system is designed to make you forget. 3 weeks later, boom, $35 charged for the next box. Let's see what we actually got. 3 meals for 2 people, pre-portioned ingredients, and these recipe cards that honestly look pretty good. The vegetables are fresh, the proteins look decent quality, the portions are generous enough, and I'll admit, the recipes are foolproof. Even I couldn't mess these up.
But here's my honest take.
If you're organized enough to cancel right after your first box, and you actually use the discount link below,
It's not a terrible deal.
the convenience factor is real, and the food quality beats most grocery store meal kits. Just don't fall for the free marketing trick like I did. Check out that link in the description for a genuine discount that won't surprise you with hidden charges.